In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ticket in Zendesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can open a fresh ticket quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to your organization's Zendesk workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials and make sure you're logged in with an agent or admin profile, since only users with the right permissions can create tickets. Once you're in, take a second to get oriented. Zendesk layouts can vary slightly depending on your plan and settings, but you'll typically see a top navigation bar and a left-hand sidebar with icons for things like views, customers, and reporting. Now look for the Add control. It commonly appears as a plus icon with the word Add near the top of the screen or in the upper right area of the interface. If your window is narrow, the label might collapse and you'll just see a plus sign. Hover your mouse over that. Add control to reveal the quick Create menu. You should see options such as Ticket and sometimes other items like User or Organization, depending on your setup. Click Ticket. That single click opens the Ticket Composer, which is the dedicated space where new tickets are created. And that's it. The new ticket window is now open. From here, you can proceed with your organization's standard process for capturing details. But the key action for today's workflow is simply getting to this screen by using the Add menu and choosing Ticket. If the Add control doesn't appear for you, double check that you have the correct permissions, make sure you're in the agent interface rather than a restricted view, and try expanding or maximizing your browser window in case the toolbar is compressed. A quick refresh can also help if your session has been idle for a while. A few tips to streamline your routine. Keep your Zendesk tab pinned in your browser if you open tickets frequently, so it's always one click away. Learn where the Add control sits in your theme and avoid zoom levels that hide labels. If your team uses multiple products or custom themes, the placement can vary slightly, but the plus icon convention remains consistent. To recap, open Zendesk, hover over the Add control, and click Ticket. With that, you're ready to begin any ticket workflow your team uses, starting from the correct creation screen every time.